He's gonna die! We're not done yet because we're here at Craig's house to fit Jarvis's exhaust and other bits, as you can see. Where's this one from?
Well, the decap manifold's Jap speed, straight from eBay. The exhaust itself is actually a long life stainless that's been donated by
Welding,
an ex FN2 owner. It's been modified to fit. He had a mug and rear bumper on it, so the tips have been cut off and made to slip on because the mug and rear bumper is a little bit wider, so they've got a bit of adjustability in the tip. And for some reason, when they were taking the back box off, they've cut the full tailpipe off the back box, so we're just welding up a V-band flange onto that tip.
We're just welding.
Welded.
This is what Craig's doing here, which I can't stop looking at, which is
stop looking.
Stupid.
Motherfucker.
However, we're struggling.
Fitting kit, all important. Gaskets, bolts, 70mm clamps, maintenance spray. If all fucks up, exhaust putty, just fucking whack it on.
But, got a bit of an issue back here because the heat shield itself won't come off. There's two bolts back here, just down there, and one on the opposite side, and they're just being twats. Come on.
And also I've got really fat arms, so I can't actually reach them. So I've had to get Pete up here with his noodle arms, and then he'll be able to hopefully get them off.
Jack it up anyway, aren't we? That's the point to actually
Yeah, I just thought if we could do all the prep and get all the bits and pieces off whilst he's doing the welding. Is what it is.
Crack on trying to get this off.
I might just go and do some sunbathing and let everyone else do the work.
The last one holding the heat shield on for the back. Here it is.
There it is, as you can see. But do we just slide it down so we can get the manifold bolts and then pull it out with the manifold, or do we try and pull it off?
We'll try and slide it out of the way so we got room to get at the bolts, and then yeah, it'll come off with the manifold itself.
That's why we're doing. Right, well that's never coming off anyway, you won't leak anymore, is that?
Pete's favourite food.
I like it.
I like it when you slowly touch the edge of the rim. Cooling balls, cooling welder. This is the dream team right here. Look at them folks.
You are gay.
What's up, big man?
What is problem, dog?
I want to break free. I want to break free.
Probably shouldn't go too far.
Go on, Jarvis.
Go on, you cunt. You stupid fucking low cars.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Yeah, bend this fucking cylinder.
Well, don't put on the fucking cylinder, put on the
I can't get it anywhere in because your car's too fucking low.
Don't it-
Drive up something.
Do you want me to pick it up?
Bag of dicks.
So what we've learnt so far is that Craig likes to use the dugger, and instead of taking the bolts off, he just snaps them. So it's a good job we've got new bolts for the new exhaust. This is the precision instrument that he's used, and obviously there you go. There's centre sections off. Centre sections off now. Now we're fucking rocking and rolling. Car's 14 feet in the air.
It's in that big. That's what it does.
Dug in again. Get lowering springs there.
Don't be Martin. It's not videoing everyone. Job on your own car.
Well, listen, I don't do things on my own car. I'm lazy. Quick update. It's happened very quickly. So this is the old centre section. I thought it was the new one, and he's already putting the new one on. He's currently taking the lambdas out, ready for the decap manifold. But the new centre section is in place. On the hangers, ready for the back box. And as you can see, just taking off the lambdas now. Right.
Last bolt, always awkward as shit.
I've got to do for that, yeah. I don't know if you'll get it in.
What's he doing?
Fucking bending it so they can fit it in. Strong enough to bend that pipe, but can't get a bolt out. You can't get it, you.
He'll pulling fucking thing off.
Good bend that, mate, well done.
Get in there.
More benderer.
Bloody show you.
Proper bent now.
There we go. Jobber on it.
Like a fucking pipe bender, isn't it?
You'll need that straight one day.
I know, you bet. Fuck!
Can't believe I bent that.
It's not good. It's just bending the ratchet.
Bloody shit.
4 out of the 5 studs are off the manifold, but we can't get to the bottom one down here, bottom left one. So we're going to try and get to that from below. Centre section's on, as you've already seen. Back box is pretty much off, but we just need to jack it up a little bit higher just to get it over the cross member at the back.
What's it doing that?
So Craig's currently making tools. So he can get his spanner into awkward places, and he's got his spanner stuck. He's got it stuck in hole, lads. It's no good, Craig.
Walk off.
How many men to take off one manifold stud? Hey Craig, you look like fucking the Wicked Witch of the West on the Wizard of Oz when the house lands on him.
Fucking a lot lighter. That's lighter than that full fucking bag of shit.
I reckon that go all the way back and then angle over the top of the subframe
I think you're gonna have to try and shove this all the way in.
through this bit.
Yeah.
I love shoving it all the way in, mate.
Should do, there you go.
And tap it off.
You can't go in that way.
That's what I'm saying. I think it's gonna have to either go all the way up too far, but you won't get the bend. We're not high enough up. Or we have to drop it from the top.
Can you not jab it all the way back?
There's not enough space though. It's not big enough for that planche.
You're not going at an angle like that though. For it through them round.
You know, fucking people fit in fucking 4-to-1 manifold. 4-to-1. Got no sense. It's going for its spot.
Oh! It might go through the top. It's a lot thinner.
Still have to take the bone off and fucking.
Should we have a look and see?
Take the bone off.
Turned out to be a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be.
That's going to end up getting down.
Worst comes to worst, we're just going to take the rocker cover off.
And engine mount it and roll it forward, baby.
I don't think you need to with the rocker cover off. You're getting another 6 inches of fucking roof.
Try that now. Man, under the plug. I think it's knocked into that. It's just not playing the game, that little bracket. It's Spin it to you now. To me, sorry.
To you. So as I said, it does.
Oh, no, as I said it, I'll kick out my fucking garage. Take your fucking on and get fucked off. That's it.
It's almost in. Graves just tidied up my engine bay for me.
Like breaking more things.
Just taking bits and pieces off that I don't no longer need. Which essentially, Craig, is weight saving. So.
Indeed.
Oh, it's worth putting that heat shield on again.
It won't. There's nothing for it to bolt to.
No, that.
Just fuck it off,
So it's on.
Ish.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Other than, just missing this bit.
No, I just welded on. So I'll cut the V-band off again.
Load of pipe on.
V-band line. What?
You're gonna have to cut the V-band off the tailpipe side, weld a section of pipe in, put the V-band back on, and then the V-band will join up again.
Hey! Get it on that door, you.
The guy got it off.
Hey, didn't I say this morning we should mock it up first before we weld it up?
Yep.
Who said no?
Yeah. Said it'd been perfectly right, it came straight off the Civic.
Either way, it's mostly on. We just got about 6 inches worth of pipe got to weld in.
Which our good Samaritan welder over here is going to sort out.
Bit faggot gob.
Samaritan? Where's the Samaritan thing come from?
I'm having a drink, I'm sweaty.
You know what Samaritan's now here from?
Now I'm going to fit the ECU. New ECU. There's the old one. Plastic thing. I'm guessing this is the new one. What?
What's this? King tuna.
I like the tuna here. Bullshit, asshole. No one likes a tuna here.
So what's the procedure to fit this now?
Literally plug and play. So hello, my friend.
Like concentrate on not filming then, because I moved a little bit. I won't lie.
We nearly died.
We did.
It's all right though. We're not dead. You know why, Peter? I'm a professional.
Professional idiot. What?
It is a 60 road, so just keep that in mind.
Nah, don't be fucking gay.